this is Jake, and I just want to take a moment to share some deer hunting tips with you guys. So tip number 1, while setting up your stand, remove any brush or branches so you can enter the woods quietly while beginning your hunt. Tip number 2, get to your stand early enough so you don't spook the deer. Tip number 3, sit in your stand all day and wait patiently for the deer to come. Tip number 4, leaving your stand early may spook the deer if they are coming into your stand. Tip number 5, wait until dark to get out of your stand so you don't spook the deer if you're coming back the next day. Tip 6, and the last tip, only shoot the big bucks, no little ones. That's the most important one to me and to everyone in my family.